Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. This week, we're not just going to join the dark side, we're going to join two halves of the dark side.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
This week's model is the Star Wars TIE Fighter by Hot Daniel on Thingiverse. There'll be a link to it in the description below. There are different configurations to this model. We chose the one that prints in two halves like this. The problem with this is that it does not have pins for alignment, so that it will be hard to glue. I am going to attempt to glue this model. Here it is glued. This was printed in Prusa silver on the AM8 with a 210 degree nozzle, a 60 degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. This printed pretty easily, and it's a cool model. I printed it for my brother Zachary to play with. This is a really cool model. I really like it. The only hard part was gluing it because there are no alignment pins, so that made it very difficult. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everyone, so why did the Star Wars movies come out 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3? In charge of scheduling, Yoda was.
In charge of scheduling, Yoda was.